Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs, working on another drawing. Got a little while before we leave for another project, so just getting some drawings done, working on stuff to put up in our Shopify account. So this is black Bristol board, 22 by 30, using Prismacolor colored pencils, just using the white. And I might add a little black here and there just to take care of some shadowing. But I'm just working negative, positive. Prismacolors are fantastic. It's a nice buttery type colored pencil, and it can be blended very well. Very, very stiff colors, and can mark just about anything. So really enjoy working with this. So hey, enjoy the video. Please watch the end so you see the finished product. And the next project I'm going on doesn't have any Wi-Fi, so I'm going to be having to categorize or like store up videos and then upload them when I get home. So thanks people for coming on board, and enjoy.